So finally, here in Idaho, a day without rain. It's allowed us to start spreading the gel coat. Decided to go with the gel coat clear versus the automotive clear. And reason being, just the durability. We can walk on it and not scuff it. And hopefully the bonding seems to be a little bit better. I did the inside today. I'll peel this off and prepare. Maybe in the next couple of days we'll do the outside of the top of the boat. It really brings the luster back. I also am spreading a little bit on the second coat, putting in a little metal flake just to kind of blend it a little better, and it's turning out really nice. So day 2 of clear coating with the gel coat. And after my first experience, I sprayed for 5 hours, and most of the time was cleaning the gun in between rounds, and that just wasn't working. It would take me a month of Sundays to do that. So I decided to use a roller, and I think I'd rather lightly sand between coats or at the finish and then buff than clean a gun 5 different times. And it was going to be more like 15 or 20 to do the boat. So I'm going to opt for the roller. It works a lot. It's a lot cleaner, less spray, and I think the results will be just as nice in the end. So now that the top hull is all done and polished, now comes the small things like the carpet. So there's 2 areas that I can glue down today, which was the front, the bow, and then the back half where the pedestals go for fishing. The hatches need to be covered as well, but I found out after removing the old carpet that I'll have to remake some of the hatches, and I've ordered some good marine paint to coat the new plywood with. To protect it and to keep it from rotting. So that'll happen over the period of the next week. Yeah, so in the bow, there's a section there where you usually store your anchor. In the case of this boat, it's where they store the pedal for the trolling motor. Cut that hatch out and glue the rest of the carpet around the area, but I'm going to do that after the rest of it is dried so it doesn't move on me. And this weekend, when we do a majority of the new carpet, that's when we'll get that done. Today, another nice, hot, sunny day, and we're putting a carpet on the decking and the deck plates for the live wells and the motor entrance covers. And the only other one we need to do is just do the main floor, and then we can start assembling the boat back again.